I'm removing my Serpentine belt so I can confirm the source of some noise I'm hearing. Since my car is over 100,000 miles, I'm going to replace my belt with this one from Michelin. I'll put a link to it in my video description below. I'm going to start by using my 14mm wrench and place it on this bolt head on the tensioner pulley and then pull it straight down. Now, if you need a little more leverage, you can take another wrench, place it over the end like so, and now you can pull it down with ease. Alright, let's look at the belt. It goes around 5 pulleys. The crankshaft, compressor, and alternator ones are ribbed, while the water pump and tensioner pulleys are both smooth. When reinstalling, just make sure the ribbed side of the belt faces the ribbed pulleys and the smooth side the smooth pulleys. I got the belt off the alternator pulley, but the trick is to actually slide it off the smooth water pump pulley first, and then you'll have enough slack to get it off the alternator pulley. While the belt's out, let's do a quick check of the tensioner pulley. Agile Auto said they heard some noise coming from it when I was at their shop. And yep, this pulley has a lot of play in it. Time to order a new tensioner. I'll make a separate video for that install. The old belt looks pretty good for 100,000 miles, but it should still be replaced because it's an inexpensive part and you don't want it to break. They usually get replaced between 60 and 100,000 miles, or if they appear damaged. Okay, let's get this installed now. I have the belt routed around all the pulleys except the tensioner one. Once the tensioner is pulled down, it'll be easy to slide the smooth side of the belt over it. And done. I had no problem doing this by myself using this method, but get help if you need it. Also, it's best to reach your hand around like this to slip the belt onto the pulley, as there isn't much room on the other side with the wrench in the way. I hope this helps you out when the time comes for you to replace your Serpentine belt. I'll include a link to this belt and some alternate ones in the video description below. If you haven't hit subscribe to my channel yet, please do so now, and as always, thank you for watching.